So I'm also a student like you of the BS degree in data science of IITM. I'm in the last term of diploma. I had faced the problem in the Kaggle assignment of the machine learning practice course, which is a course of data science in diploma in data science. So I thought that I will share my problem and my solution experience to you all, that the new one who is taking this may get know about it all. So Kaggle assignment, average of Kaggle assignment gives 0.20 in the total course score, contributes to total course score 0.20. You can see it here where my cursor is going, okay? And the 3 average will be released. They had given the wrong dates. I'm just using the January 2026 grading document. Means 6 March 2026 they will release the first Kaggle assignment, and 18th March will be the last date. Second Kaggle assignment will be released on 25th and of March, and 2nd April will be the last date, and 10th of April will be third Kaggle assignment release, and 17th April will be the last date. Peer review deadlines are there after the deadline of the Kaggle assignment. You will get to check the notebook, Kaggle notebook of the other students. You have to check 5 notebooks and you will be given some marks. But it all will be counted if you pass the cutoff of the Kaggle notebook. So it's very good. It's 20 marks is very good if you do the good in Kaggle. So I will take you to the Kaggle portal where you can check, and before that I will show you how the grading, what will be the questions, what will the how the Kaggle question paper, how the Kaggle questions appear. Okay. So this is the third Kaggle assignment details. So this will be come as like it's same, the pattern will be come as in Kaggle assignment 1, Kaggle assignment 2, Kaggle assignment 3. So there will be a link given. You have to join through via link in the notebook of the Kaggle notebook. Then you have to join this competition. Actually I will show you how to do this. Then the code tab, and use this notebook to make model submission, and performance will be reflected in the leaderboard. It's very important that you should check your score and you should come in the leaderboard. Refer the rubrics, as rubrics are very important to follow, and the deadline was given to 11th of December for me. And you have to show a walkthrough video of recording of the notebook. It must be under 8 to 12 minutes. It's more than enough for this. And you have to upload this video in the Google Drive, and then provide the link in the submission tab, and open the access of the link from the Google tab for everyone. Okay, yes, it's written also. If you have any problem, then they had given the document link. You can go and visit there. So what are the rubrics? You have to identify the data types of different columns. So this is given 5 points, 5 weight means 5 marks. So you have to do this, not 5 marks, weight 5. And present descriptive statistics of numerical column, identifying the handle missing values, identifying the handle duplicates of the data, identify and handle outliers, and present at least 3 visualizations and provide insights for the same. Scale numerical features and encode categorical features. Build model building at least 7, minimum it should be 7. You can use more than 7. Hyperparameter tuning on any of the 3 models, and comparison of the model performance. Then you must get the cutoff of the, you must cross the cutoff of the Kaggle assignment, then only your marks will be started counting. It's very important that you should keep this in your mind. And the second part is that these are the 7 to 8 points which are the rubrics of this will be considered when the other person in the peer review, when the other person will check your copy, when you check your notebook. So these criteria are very important. Now I will show you how you should write your Kaggle notebook. So I will copy this link and then paste it in the search bar. Paste the link here, and then it will guide you to your competition page where lead submission was given. When the assignment releases until the last date of the submission, you will get the option of join competition. And if you after the clicking on the joining of the competition, there will be a till the submission of the competition date, it will be submit predictions here, like option will come. So first you join it. When you join, you have to create a new notebook here. They had also guided you that after joining the competition, go to the code tab and create a new notebook. So when you click on code tab, you will get the option of, when you click on your work, you will get the option of your notebook. When you click on it, you will guide it towards your notebook. So that is my notebook. So I will click edit on it and show you how to do it. So when you are creating a notebook, that will be your Kaggle notebook, I had started it, that's why I tried in draft session starting. So first of all, here is when you join through the competition, you will get this data here. So I got a train data, test data, and sample CSV used for submission. Sample will be used for submission. So I had imported all the libraries here. I had imported below also, but mainly I used it here. So after this, I used train data as train. I named train data as train, test, and submission as submission. So first I want to tell you very important thing that you have to do everything on your train data. Then after just building all the models and everything, you have to test it on the test data and then submit on the submission data. And submission file should be named submission only, not anything other. Otherwise you will be face problem when you're submitting and you will not get the score in the Kaggle notebook. I had faced this issue. So there is, I always writing in a notebook, you should always writing in a notebook, you should always write the heading, because headings are very important. So you can write the heading by clicking on the markdown. When you click here and there in the last code, you will get option of markdown. If you write markdown, suppose I had written important, and you use it here and click on the heading, and then you write the code. It's important now became the heading. I will delete this because I don't need it anymore, and it's also way more don't need it, and here it's also don't need it. So I had done this. So what I had done, I had checked the data types as mentioned earlier, that what is the data types. So I had done this. Then descriptive statistics I had done for my numerical columns. And the second point you should remember when I showed you. And then identifying handling missing data, I had covered all the points, and I will suggest you that you should write all the points as like a heading and the subparts as a subheading. That will be work and give a good performance. And I had mentioned it everything, that as feature 1, feature 2, feature 3 have null values in both train and test data. So I handled them by replacing null values by medium. So that's what I had done. You should, by explaining, you give a good impact. So it's very important to do this. And you would also how identifying handling outliers. I had created a graph. Then I given everything. I had given the visualizations as well as the explanation why I had done this. So they are very important thing. And then I had done 7 model building, you can see. Then after building, I had done 7 model. Then I had done a hyper tuning on 3 of the models out in the 7, and it's all I got. And then I had click on the submission. Before submission, you should go here. After you should do comparison of models, and after comparison of models you do prediction, and after prediction you do submission. Always make sure whatever the name of the submission file given in the competition, you should always name your submission as submission, because when you click on the submitting the tab here, submit to competition, okay, first of all you have to do the save version, then you submit the competition. They ask you that the submission file should be only be named submission. I had done the same problem and I was not getting the cutoff score, I'm not getting the score. But when I make this sure that this doesn't when I checked and got my problem that the submission file should be written in the submission, it's the Kaggle problem. So I had changed it and I got my score. The second thing, if any error arise in between the code, then you will not get your submission code. Like I had to run this. Okay, if I done it's a session was starting, it's not started yet, it's some network problem, it will take a long time. I will do this for you if you need. Okay, so I have done this, but I'll want to run it again. Actually it takes a lot of time. So as you had seen that there is no error here. So now what should I do? I will create an error and show you that how it's create a problem if there is error in the code somewhere. If error is arising, how it will create the problem in submitting it. So suppose I had in the very starting, I do what you can check. I use, instead of train, I use train 1 for naming it. Okay, it's getting a lot of problem. Suppose I name it 1. Now run it. I will run all again, and you should have to wait for a while. I'll show you So when you click on save version, then save and run all commit. Now it will create a problem. Now you can see that version has failed here. Why? Because I had used RAM instead of train here. It not will be shown here, but it's not showing. That's the problem arises when problem is not shown sometimes due to some network issue, due to some error issue like this. Due to this here, the error arrived by x.train cat dot fit. Here error arise. The error was arise just due to because I renamed the train as RAM. That's why the error, this is the issue, but it's not visible anywhere. You can see just due to the network, the train.d types train.shape, and it's not visible here, but it's the issue. That's what I want to show you. So when you click on submit, as I run the save run, when you click on submit competition here, submit, you will click on submit competition and you submit it. It will I'll show you. It's not working. So you can see that it will show fail. Now you can see it's showing competition submission file not found. It's just the problem. I renamed it, but it's not showing anywhere that the problem is I renamed the train data as RAM and now using train as train and using everywhere train, and it's in the starting where from I'm importing the data. I used it is as RAM. It's the issue, but never it's not showing anywhere in the Kaggle. I had faced this, that's why I'm showing you. Now you see that submission file not found, even it's there, you can see. So now I'll show you how to correct this. What's the problem, how the issue can be corrected. Now you go to again here and change the RAM to train. Change the RAM to train. I'm not showing there is a button of save version which is I'm not showing on the screen, but when you open the Kaggle you will see. Just due to privacy issue, you see when you click on save version, save and run commit, and again save and run, again it will start saving. Now I'll show you that it will correctly show you that it will not fail, it will show successful. As you can see, after 30 minutes of running the save and commit, my version was successful. It's not failed, it's successful. Always remember, always have remember in your mind that whenever you are doing your Kaggle assignment, first save it. Do the save version, save and run and commit, then submit it. Because without saving it, it can cause error. So my suggestion is always save and then submit. Okay, now I will submit it. I will go on submit button. I will go on submit button and submit. Now you will see after all the running process will done that my submission had done. I will show you. So as you can see, where before this it was saying that the submission file not found, submission CSV. Now it says competition submission complete. Means I got the score here. Latest score is this, best score is this, and I used one submission. Kaggle provide 5 submissions per day, and I used one of this. I hope it should be clear to you that how to use wisely your Kaggle assignment, how to do wisely your Kaggle assignment, how to do everything in a right manner. If you have a query like how to create a Kaggle account and what will be the procedure, I can guide you. Just you comment in the comment box that you need a video on that, or any other related video. If you need, you can comment me. If I am able, I will try to make a video. Thank you.